Today we need to talk about another ridiculously good Victorinox pocket knife. This is the Victorinox Climber. I think this is a great value for the money. On the Climber you get the standard knife blade, small knife blade, corkscrew, and I've added this extra tool, which is a tiny Phillips screwdriver. Then we get the place for a needle, which is also very handy. The standard tweezers, toothpick, and then we got a lot of great, like the highlight version of all the Swiss Army knives functions. We got the flathead with a bottle cap opener and a wire stripper. Then we got the Phillips, should function as a Phillips screwdriver, and the box opener, the hermetic can opener. And we got the scissors. I think it's very handy to have the scissors. Then we also got the awl. You can use it to sew leather like a needle. And this is also quite sharp, and this is quite pointy, so it's good for a lot of purposes. Then we got this much debated hook, which is meant for carrying some stuff that's like getting into your skin. I think this is a great option with a lot of some of the most useful functions in one of the smaller knives, a 3-layered Victorinox knife. So if you are going to buy one Swiss Army knife and you're going to be cost aware, then I think this is a very, very good option. And also a knife that's, at least in my location, is easy to come by in many types of stores. Thank you.